Today we will demonstrate the installation steps for the Easty EDP-OSP OSH dual shuttle heat press. Please follow the steps and check parts of the table and prepare tools. Firstly, put the machine in place and connect the pressure gauge and air compressor to lift up the heating plate. And then please take out the sponge, also the spare part. First, we need to tighten the 4 screw holders at the corners and ensure that all sides of the machine are balanced. It's best to use a level to make adjustments. Once this is done, in the middle of the machine we will see the plastic washers, which are used to secure the guide rails. We need to loosen the screws and install the guide rail on both sides. Set up part number 1. Parts install as corresponding position. Install the screws. And then set up the part 2. Parts install as corresponding position. Install the screws and tighten it. So 4 corners are fixed tightly. And then set up the part 3, loose the screw out of the roller. And install as corresponding position. Set up part number 4. Similarly, loose the screws out and install as corresponding position at the front side. Tighten up all screws. And make sure they are parallel. Then you can install the wire connection. Connect the wire which follow the mark. Loose the screws out. Set up the Platen. Part number 5. Put the bottom plate into the rail. And tighten the screws again. Put the sponge. Install the bottom plate in the other side. Loose the screw out. And then put the bottom plate into the rail. Tighten the screws again. Put the sponge. Once all above steps have been completed, a professional electrician can connect the valves. During the initial wiring, it's essential to use a multimeter to test the free power valves and the neutral valve. If everything is in order, you can power on the machine for testing. As you can see, the control panel includes several features: the settings for the preset temperature, and display for the actual temperature, a timer setting below that, followed by the machine switch, options for automated and manual mode, and finally the emergency stop at the bottom. For more information, please contact Easty technical team. Thank you.